back to my channel. My name is Tina and it's BoxyCharm day. I love BoxyCharm. It's a monthly subscription service. For $21 a month, you get 4 to 5 full-size products. Sometimes you get four full-size products and a deluxe sample size product. Any way you look at it, they're always amazing. This is the best beauty subscription service out there. So let's check out what's in this month's BoxyCharm. So they send you a thing every month that tells you the theme, gives you some coupons, and tells you the prices of everything in here. We're gonna wait to go through that for a minute. We're just gonna jump in. The first thing I can't wear right now, this is the black bamboo charcoal peel off face mask. Looks like this. So it's a lace peel. I've seen videos of it and it's cool and kind of creepy, very interesting. I can't wait to try it. I might do a video on that. Let me know if you are interested because so many people are doing them. I don't know if it's something people are going to want to watch. Next out here is the It Superhero Mascara. I have had this mascara in the past. It's a great mascara. I'm not going to open it today though because I have multiple mascaras open. If you watched the video I just put up, then I have plenty of mascara open and I don't want to waste this one because I do like it. It is one that I open and let set for a week just to sort of dry it out a little bit. Otherwise it's just too wet for me. We have the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. This has a face and eyeshadow palette in it. It looks like that, and then we open it and ooh, the little patterns on top are really cool looking. It looks like this inside. One side has the face, like a blush, a bronzer, contour, be a highlight. That might be a little dark for me. And the other side is some gorgeous eyeshadows in really Mardi Gras colors. Excited about playing with this in a minute. Everlasting liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, and I got the color Lovesick, which is gorgeous. I didn't know what that color was going to look like. It is beautiful. It's like a purpley gray mauve. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love these kind of colors. They're my favorite. Let's jump into this and see how these work out. I already have my base down, so we're just gonna jump right in. There isn't a base shade in this, so I'm just gonna grab a different palette. I'm just gonna use my Trio from Smashbox. This has just got a nice base shade in here. Let's check out what these do. Wow, there are really some dark shades in here. That brown is a matte, and I believe that is the only matte in here that isn't a big pan. These over here though, I think would work perfectly for eyeshadows as well, so we're probably going to use a couple of those. So these are super pigmented. I am having quite a lot of kick up, although that might be my brush. But it is blending really nicely. I'm going to use this blush here and this deep burgundy color and just blend that into the brown and up and around in my outer corner. So I think that is plenty deep enough. These colors are very pigmented, even the blush, and it works great as an eyeshadow. If you're looking for some more mattes in there, grab that one. Now I'm going to go to this purple here and then the blue. So without a glitter glue, that is so pretty. It's a very nice shimmer. It goes onto the lid very nicely. Let's see what happens when we use a glitter glue. With that glitter glue, it is even prettier. So easy to foil onto your lid, and that's just the NYX glitter glue that I used. That purple is gorgeous with that brown and that kind of burgundy blush that they have in there, which for a lot of people I think that might be a little scary of a blush because it is very dark, so as an eyeshadow it's perfect. I'm going to use this very light blue and put that on my inner corner. That is just stunning. Those colors are super pretty, super easy to put on, very blendable, and the shimmer you can get off those are gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to create a khaki look. First I'm going to take this burgundy blush and line my lower lash line. Just go for kind of a gypsy type look today. And then I want to play with this green, so I'm going to put that green on there too. That is stunning. I'm just going to take a dark eyeliner. It's October, you know what the heck. And really do my waterline. I'm going to use my Smashbox Superfan mascara since I don't want to open that superhero quite yet. So I'm going to use that deep burgundy blush, and you have to use a very light hand. As you can see, I have a great big blotch right there. And then I'm just going to bronze just a tiny bit with that bronzer. So now I'm going to blend everything in with some RC May No Color powder. Okay, so now I'm going to use that highlight. And actually that's a really good shade for me. A very nice highlight. It's a little subtle, but very beautiful. Let's try out this Kat Von D lipstick. This is a gorgeous shade for me. I love it. And it feels really nice too. I'm really happy with this box. Really happy with it. I love that Pure Set. Let's do the prices real quick. So this is $24 for the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. The Dermalace mask is $30. Holy crap, that is expensive. The Masquerade palette is $30 also. This is a really expensive box. Holy cow. The Kat Von D liquid lipstick is $20. And then I forgot to pull this out earlier. It is the Green Clean Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, and it is $22. And I will let you know how that works out, along with the lace sheet mask. I'll put the total for this box up here because holy cow, it's expensive. And I'm super happy with it. This box creates like this gorgeous Halloween gypsy look. Man, I just need to glam this up a little bit more, you know, do a couple things, and it would be gorgeous for that. I hadn't even thought of that till I got playing with it a little bit. But I love this box. It's gorgeous as always. BoxyCharm knocks it out of the park. Let me know what you got in your box, what you'd hope to get in your box if you hate your box. I don't know what people got this month. I haven't been paying attention. So let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!